So, finishing the videos I was doing with my power steering and everything like that. So, sorry, this is more of a show and tell video. It's not an installation video. Sorry about that. I know you're gonna roast me in the comments and be like, "This is not how you install it," but it's pretty easy. It's like, honestly, I'm telling you, like, it's really, really easy, and telling you what to do, what not to do. But anyways, so this is Derale, however you want to say it, power steering cooler. And so here's the lines I got right here, and then I'll try to put the link down below to get all the fittings and stuff I used. So, and then outside I went to a hydraulic shop and got the hoses, but because you just gotta get these two fittings, the 90s, like I showed in the video with this one. You gotta put the 90s on, and then these are the clamps I had off the other hoses. I just used them. And then I'm pretty sure it's 3/8 hose, but yeah, these little two wire hoses, almost like wires, run from, I'll show you. So one of them goes into, someone's gonna be like, "Oh, you didn't even show us." That power steering line right there, which, if anything, you should literally, what I'm going to do is, so this, I don't know why, but this freaking power steering hose is angled wrong. So if I put it the other way it's supposed to go, it hits the fan. So I just bent it and moved it this way, and it works just fine. But what I would do anyways is get long enough hose just to take this clamp off and hook it on here and get a hose clamp and do it there. So you just have one straight hose going from here to the cooler. So that's it right there, because look how long that is. And then you also have to use a barb coupling, which it works just fine, but it would be a lot easier if you just had one long hose going from there to there. That's that one. And then the next one just goes from the cooler to right there. That one right there. That's it. Super easy. So it's really, really, it's just a messy job, but you literally just gonna go from that one hose right there to the cooler, then back from the cooler back up here to that hose to the actual power steering pump. So it's super easy. Like I said, like, it's just I want to say I bought like 2 feet of hose, and that was long, more than long enough, because I actually had to cut some off. So you just need that. So all you're gonna need is the power steering cooler, 2 feet of hose. I would say you need a little longer, but just to be safe, just in case, and some hose clamps and something to cut off that metal ring or whatever on here, because that's what I'm gonna do. Cut off that thing right there, and then just hose clamp that on. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4 hose clamps, 2 feet of hose, 3/8 hose, and the cooler. That's it. Super easy on these trucks. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Like I said, it's not bad at all. If I can do it, you can do it. So just showing you real quick, I did do a full-on thing. I actually show in the video what I should have done, just done one whole complete thing instead of like adding coupling in it. So there she is.